Hey, what's up, folks? It's Mike here from Net or Gold, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I talk about things that you all kind of like. I'm not really sure. I don't know the relationship we got going on here, but I think it's fantastic. So, with that being said, today we're going to do a beard mask. I'm going to do a beard mask with some sea moss, right? Sea moss apparently does a lot of things, and I want to see how it does on moisturizing my beard, how it does with moisturizing my beard overnight. So, with that being said, let's get to that little process there. I'm going to show you put it in my face and all that, and yeah, so if that's cool with you, it's cool with me. Let's get this party started, shall we? Okay, so for this tutorial, you just need some sea moss. Some sea moss gel. This is from the good folks at JK Sea Moss. I feel like this is a little damp. I don't want to mess up my table. 1 second. I'm going to add some paper here from Life's Paper. There's a nice little, there we go. It's wrapping paper, but you know, it's still in the wrapping for the paper itself, so I figured why not? Nice little coverage there. All right, so you just need a little bit of sun. Also, you need gloves. You need some gloves. You know I like using gloves. Ooh, let's pop this open. All right, I've been digging this already with my face. This is the same one Christine and I have used to make face masks if you follow us on Instagram. If you don't, that's cool, whatever. I can understand you don't want to cross, you know, it's like following your loved one on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's kind of creepy, right? But that's okay. It's all right. You guys can be creepy with us. I like you. You like me. We get together. We're family, right? Right? Thank you. All right. So got the sea moss here. I'm gonna stick my finger in it. Just make sure it's nice and ready. All right. All right. All right. Oh yeah. Like, I love the way sea moss smells. It's such a, I don't know, like a oceany aroma. Oh yeah, this is good. This is good. You always gotta get that underbeard. The underbeard for me is the trouble spot is always rubbing against something. So, yeah, there we go. This feels really good. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good on that. Looks damp, nice and moist to you all. All right, gloves off. Set these aside. Tap back on the moss here. Bam. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my beard guard. So I don't know if you all have ever seen my beard guard commercial or videos, but I'll take my beard guard. It's essentially a satin lined bonnet for, you know, your goddess throne. I like to tie mine up in the top here. So it says our logo on it here in collaboration with the folks over at Beard Guard. And what I'm gonna do, I like to tie mine up. So I don't like it around my ears that much. So I'm gonna take mine up right around the back of the head. And I come on down. And then, just like that, I'm protected. Now usually, I have it underneath, just like this, so I can chit chat and whatnot. But when I'm sleeping at night, I don't like it that way, because the elastic here presses against the bottom lip, and then I can feel it pressing against my gums, and I wake up in the morning with like sore gums. So I always cover up the entire, and that way all the moisture stays inside. So what we're gonna do with this one, but probably sounds stupid when I'm talking. What I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna leave this on all night. I'm gonna take a shower, you know, lay down in bed, do all that fun stuff, and then what I'm gonna do in the morning is remove all this and show you all how good it's gonna look. It's gonna look fantastic. And yeah, you know, sea moss apparently has all these vitamins and minerals and nutrients and whatnot. It's really good for the skin. So the way I see it, if it's good for the skin, it's good for the beard, because what's underneath my beard? It's skin. And is that skin usually, you know, neglected? Yes. So we want to unneglect that with some of the sea moss here. You know, I like to use sometimes a facial scrub to remove some of the dead skin cells. I'm gonna try this Rejuvenate and see how it goes. So let's go to like I'm gonna show you a quick like unboxing of this paper I got here, and yeah, it's good looking paper. I'm gonna do an unboxing of this, and then I'm gonna show you an unboxing of this shirt as well, because it's dope. And then we'll get back to my facial beauty and beard greatness. Does that work for you? Great, fantastic. Thank you. I love you. I love you a lot. I love you more than you ever know. Okay, so I'm about to unbag this bag here. I'm excited to see what's inside. So let's find out together, shall we? Let's do it. It's probably would be easier if I actually had like a pair of scissors or something. But let's see how this goes. There we go. All right, bag done. Uh-oh, this is looking nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, this looks nice. Damn. Who is this from? Hold up, hold up. Who sent me this? Who sent me this? Store Frontier? Damn, this looks nice. I gotta find out the Instagram. One thing I would have done a little bit better is I would have had the Instagram and everything in here. But besides that, this looks fan-freaking-tastic. Yeah, this is definitely, this is nice. This is nice. Damn, the design looks dope. Yeah, that looks good. Got a little fist on it and everything. That's dope. All right, thank you so much, Store Frontier. I will make sure I wear this in my next video. Appreciate it. All right, this is gonna be quick. I gotta go to the bathroom. I really gotta take a dump, but let's take a look and see. Ooh. Oh, crap. I think it's leaking out. Oh, pinch. Ooh, okay. All right, so this is what we're working with right here. It's really flaky. Oh my gosh, this stinks. 1 second. Oh, it's leaking out. Okay, back to the conversation at hand. So, it's soft, it's kind of flaky. There's the moss still in it. It smells kind of funky, but definitely soft. So let me just rinse some of this out real quick. It feels nice. Yeah, it definitely feels nice. Huh. We'll check back in a couple hours, see how it feels still. Is it right now, fresh out the morning? Rehydrated DC moss that was dry. Feels good. Feels good. Okay, so real quick while I have a second before he starts crying, I want to talk to you real quick about what I use to wipe my butt. So as a lot of y'all know, I use a bidet, but every once in a while you want to just be extra sure. So I like to use toilet paper, but this isn't regular toilet paper. This is bamboo toilet paper from the. Buddy. Hey, just give me a second. Give me 1 second. 1 second. Just give me like 3 more seconds. 3 more seconds. Okay, promise. From the folks over at Ultra Cosmic 9. It's 100% bamboo toilet paper. Boom. Yeah, so that's what I use. I gotta go. Okay, so essentially that was the entire thing. That was the entire beard mask. You just applied it, put on a beard guard, and went to sleep, and that was it. As you saw, it was just there. Now, when I woke up, it was kind of flaky, of course, because it did dry up. All I did was rehydrate a little bit, and then it was good to go. I worked out in it, which, come on now, you all know I don't do that. I worked out in it. I played in it. I ate in it. Drank in it. I'm recording this video in it. And this is all still from this morning's beard mask with, last night's beard mask that I rehydrated this morning for you all before I had to take my impromptu break. And as you can tell, well, actually, you might not be able to tell, but it feels soft. It feels soft. It's a little dry now. I've been out all day, didn't apply anything else on top of it. But, you know, it's not bad. It's not bad. I think if this is something I kept up with, it'd be good. The skin underneath feels amazing. I did have, like, right here, there was like a little bump or something that was irritating me. I guess it was like an ingrown hair. Don't feel it anymore. It's gone. So I don't know if that's the moss or just my greatness altogether, but damn, it feels good. Yeah, I mean, honestly, it's not a difficult thing to add into a regimen. You know, they say sea moss has a lot of good properties. So this is another one. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used sea moss on your face, or your hair, your beard, or any other part of your body that you actually didn't eat. Because that was the thing. People always say you should eat sea moss. It's good for you. 92 vitamins and minerals, all this other stuff. But no one ever said use it for your hair. Well, now I know. So I'm going to be doing a lot more hair, beard. Actually, if you go back, you'll see I did a video. I mixed some aloe vera and sea moss and did a hair mask. That was fantastic. I actually just forgot about that and just remembered it. Maybe I'll revisit that video for you all and let you all see that greatness as well. If you all deserve it. I don't know if you all deserve it. But in the comments below, let me know what you use on your hair. How do you keep your hair nice and moist? What is your go-to regimen? What are your go-to products? Let me know. I'm interested in seeing what you all do to maintain the beauty that you have that is slightly less beautiful than me, but still pretty beautiful. And as you can see here, I'm starting to sweat. So I'm going to use some more of my Ultra Cosmic 9 Bamboo, 100% bamboo toilet paper to dab my face. How do I look? Better than your baby daddy? I thought so. I probably don't. But anyway, whatever. Thank you all so much for watching. Appreciate it. And let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like for me to try. I have a couple more videos coming up, obviously, because this is what I do with my life now. And yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for that. Bruh. I was trying to hit whatever. See it. Okay, so I got this box. This is what's opening next. This long, strong, down to get the friction on. Baby, I got box. This is what we're about to open up. Let's see what's going on here. Again, I still haven't gotten scissors, but whatever. My fingers are powerful beyond all measure. Let's see what we got going on here. It says it's from Life's Paper. Don't know what the hell that is, but I'm excited to find out. Da, 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 da. Whoa. This isn't it. Let's see. Oh. That bang. Oh, that bang. That bang. Oh yeah, this is dope. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Nice. All right. This is, well, let's find out what's on the little note. Hold up, let's find out what's on the note. Bam. Okay, that's my information there. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you for having a business that focuses on the needs of the Black community. Your business has identified a need to include culturally sensitive products for our community. I would love to take advantage of your offer to have a video of a physical product featured. Wow, I'm going to read this personally, but this is the letter that I was just given. This was definitely a personalized letter. And, okay, it's a very personal touch. Wow, okay, let me sit this aside and read this later. That's gorgeous. All right, but it's, at the bottom it says, enclosed, you'll find a sheet of Ankh gift wrap paper, Black Blizzard greeting card, which is a bestseller, and a sample of the Winter at 846 greeting card. Huh. All right. Dope, dope, dope. A dedication to George Floyd coming soon for November 2020 release to select from our special feature. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity to showcase a product of Life's Paper. This looks dope. The envelope and everything. All right. Let's see. So we got Life's Paper here. Boom. Let's open this thing up. Let's check it out. Come on. Boom. All right. So this one here, gift card. Bam. And then Black Blizzard gift card. Bam. So this one here is the Life's Paper. Okay. And this one is Black Blizzard. So we got the Black Blizzard greeting card, which is bestseller, and the sample of the Winter at 846. All right. Wowzers. Wowzers. I don't send out cards to anybody. So no one's getting anything from me, but Boss Mick does send out cards. So, and he sends out cards on the advisory of King Kai. King Kai is a very gentle ruler. Okay, so this is dope. These are beautiful. And this Ankh gift wrap paper here. God damn. Damn. So that's the information right there. Is it going to focus? Let's find out. I tried. Whatever. Boom. But yeah, there we go. This looks amazing. And I'm going to be sure to use this for stuff. You know, like a little product shot, like boom, top down product shot like that. Wow. Bang. That looks great. Fan-freaking-tastic. Okay. Thank you so much. And it's right. Ha! Dope. All right, let me sit this somewhere. Oh,